Aloha, this is Yong. I'm a licensed real estate broker in Hawaii, also broker in charge and vice president for area associated real estate advisors. And right behind me, there's a 14th condo going to be developed by World Village called Mahana. We're going to fly the drone and show you the view plan, talk about pros and cons, and see if this is the right fit for you. And let's start. So today, we're going to use the drone to see what views could look like from roughly 100 to 400 feet up, looking east, west, north, and toward the ocean. Before we get started, there's one thing I'd like to mention. I recently shared videos of inspections and final walkthroughs for clients who purchased homes at the Porkward Village with my help. Buying a brand new pre-sale condos in Hawaii is very different from buying a resale property. There are many important steps along the way, including the purchase contract, selecting your unit option, payment schedule, inspections, and final closing. Since these projects could take years from contract to completion, it is important to work closely with a local real estate professional who can guide you through every stage of the process. As a licensed Hawaii real estate broker and a vice president and broker in charge at Associated Real Estate Advisors, I help my clients find the project best fits their goals, lifestyle, and budget, from choosing the right unit to closing and moving day. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. If you'd like to learn more about Mahana, including current pricing and availability, feel free to reach out. I'll be happy to help you navigate your Hawaii real estate journey. So Mahana is the 14th new condo developed by Howard Hughes Corporation in World Village, planned as a 39-story luxury residential tower. It will have 420 tower units and 30 podium units, so total of 450 homes in a wide variety of type. Studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, and penthouse units, suitable for both primary residences and second homes. Amenities for residents will be located on the 8th floor, including a swimming pool, fitness center, and barbecue cabanas. The building also be very secure with a 24-hour on-site security. The World Village dedicated community patrol. One of the biggest selling points of Mahana is that even though it's on the 3rd row back from the ocean-facing units still enjoy panoramic views of both the park and the water. Mahana offers these stunning views for a much more reasonable price than the World Village front row. Oceanfront condos are distinct, competitive advantage. Insurance rates are also lower than beachfront properties. Also, residents will be enjoying residential community, parks, retail spaces, and other features from day one. It is located in the heart of World Village, is within easy walking distance from Whole Foods Market, a premium grocery store, along with a wide variety of restaurants, cafe, and shops, plus easy access to Ala Moana Center and Ala Moana Beach Park. And also approximately 10 minutes drive from downtown Honolulu, the city's business district, and home to its major financial institution, courthouses, and state government office. It also offers convenient access to public transportation. Mahana is very close to the planned location for upcoming Kaka'ako Skyline rail station, just a 2 to 3 minutes walk. Once the station opens, residents should have easy access to the airport, downtown Honolulu, and West Oahu. Whether it's a combination of relaxed resort-style lifestyle and the conveniences of urban living, World Village continues to be in high demand for both full-time residents and second-home buyers. One big advantage of purchasing a pre-construction condo is that the payments are staggered rather than paying the entire purchase amount upfront. There is a 30 days cancellation period after the initial signing, and buyer may purchase with a cash finance through a mortgage if they qualify. I help my clients through every step of this process. On the other hand, if you're looking for a home in Hawaii that is usable immediately, I would recommend purchasing an already completed condominium or house. Feel free to contact me anytime for that as well. I will help you find a condo or home that best fits your lifestyle and need. And let's take a look at the view we can expect in Mahana based on direction and elevation. First, let's check out panoramic ocean-facing view. This direction offers premium view on the park and the ocean. As we move upwards, we can look down on the ocean and Kebalo Harbor. And next, let's check out the east-facing views. This direction offers primary city views. Ilima and Melia Towers are planned for the front row closest to the ocean. So this direction will have only partial ocean views once those are completed. And let's take a look at north. Here, we can see Hawaii's green mountains and the surrounding city sky. North side units in Hawaii tend to stay cooler, making them a popular choice for those who like more comfortable living environment. Finally, there are views from the west-facing units. These units overlook Salt at our Kakao and downtown Honolulu, with partial views of the ocean to the west visible from high floors. However, keep in mind that Kakao is an area that will also continue to develop in the future, as these views may change in the future. The biggest downside to Mahana is the price as a result of increasing construction and material costs. Current resale prices are significantly higher than the World Village was first being developed. The cost of entry is now higher than before. However, but that price comes with benefits, including World Village's prime location, superior infrastructure, and also being part of the master planned community. Ultimately, Mahana is a very attractive choice for buyers who desire these features. And today I've given you some info on Mahana, World Village's newest pre-sale condo. So if you have any questions or like to get a unit there, feel free to contact me. I'm here to assist. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Mahalo!